everybody taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about some patio cushions. So as you guys know, I purchased me a patio set last year. I purchased online. One thing I want to tell you guys, don't purchase things online unless you know specifically what it looked like, you know, the dimensions and all that good stuff, because you'll be so amazed once you get it, it's not what you think it's going to be, because it was actually wound up being black and I thought it was going to be dark brown. So we wound up getting it red. It was really, really pretty. And the sun, unfortunately, dyed the cushions, like they turned a beige color. And then on the other side, it was red. Unfortunately, you can't put it on the other side because the zipper is shown and all that stuff. So it wasn't that simple just to turn it over. So what I was gonna try to do, guys, is I did so much research trying to find how I can get some patio cushions, how I can change the color. The reason why I want to change the color, y'all, because if I don't know if y'all know about patio cushions, but when I say it's about the same price as purchasing a whole new set, like the cushions is ridiculously high. So I seen some people dye with that right dye, R-I-T. You'll use the synthetic dye. I seen some people use flat paint, which I think flat paint would be horrible because it's going to get crunchy. It's going to make the material turn really, really crunchy. I don't know about the right. I seen some people do it. They said it was good, it was bad. You also got to make sure you look at your actual cushion covers to see what it's made out of. Mine is made out of polyester, so always make sure of that before you just dye anything. But I know from experience in dyeing is messy, super messy, and sometimes it does not come out the way you want it. Because I actually was I wanted to turn red to brown. And I told my mom I was gonna buy some brown dye, and she let me know. That's why it's always good to talk to your mom. She was like, why would you buy red and brown that don't make brown? That's gonna make like a burgundy type color, or like a reddish darkish red. So I'm so glad I talked to her about it, and she was like, it's messy. So I decided again not to wind up doing it. She have done it before, so she do know. Then I was about to spray paint it. And I know, to me, guys, spray painting stuff, it could be fun, it could be tedious. And a lot of people were saying it was some Rust-Oleum, fabric spray paint. Some people said it was good, some people said it wasn't, some people said it made it crunchy, but they said they had to use a bunch of cans just to be able to do the amount of pillows that they have. Because I have 2 chairs and I found out it was a sofa seat. I thought it was a couch. So I needed a set of 4, not just, you know what I'm saying? I needed the back and I needed the bottom. So again, that's going to be a set. They come as a set, or you can buy them separately. They are high, y'all. If you want to be able to get you a nice little set, you speaking of like about $200-$300 just for the cushions. And we gonna wind up replacing the patio set because we found out again it was made out of plastic. So now make sure if you purchase, like I said, a set, you really look at the reading is fundamental. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Sometimes I really need to read more, but if I read it, I would have seen that it said black. So make sure you really read stuff. You're looking at the dimensions and all that good stuff. Because I didn't, and the furniture wound up being a little smaller, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make that work for now, because I don't want to go buy cushions for like $300 and I wind up replacing this because I know I'm gonna replace it. So with that being said, I purchased some. It's called research, like I said, and research, and I just happened to pull up some video. She was talking about how she researched, and she was talking about how she purchased some patio chair covers, and I was like, oh, okay. I mean, patio cushion covers, and I was like, maybe I could be able to try that. So I wanted to purchase some. They had it in a brown, blue, red, all kind of colors, but this brown is a little browner than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little more darker brown, which is kind of good that it's lighter brown though, be honest with you guys, because my pavilion and stuff is already dark brown and black. So just to bring in some color. Again, it's called Clawcover, and I'm going to put that link for you guys on the bottom of the screen. So, I mean, not the screen, in the video description, in the comments section, you'll be able to get that link, okay? And make sure it's from Amazon. This is the color. And I already put some out there, and I was so nervous, y'all. I thought it was not going to match, but it did. I mean, not match. Thought it was not going to work. Now, I can truly say, guys, the bottom is a lot bigger than my actual bottom. But I'm gonna make it work, y'all. You get a bottom for the bottom, you know, that you sit your booty on. You get 4 of those. And I also had one of these small ones. And then they got another smaller one. And I was so nervous, y'all. I was like, oh my God, it's not gonna fit. But it's crazy because on the Sofa Love Seat, the bigger ones fitted, so it was good. And the reason why mine fit, y'all, because I wound up stuffing my patio pillows with extra cushion, that cushion stuff. I forgot what you call it. I'm gonna put it on there though, but they were so flimsy. Oh, they were so flimsy, y'all. And that's one thing too. If you got flimsy pillows, this not gonna work. You got to make sure you stuff the pillows that you have first with the I forgot what it's called. I put it, guys, the name of it. Make sure you stuff it first, your actual pillow. Get it nice and full, the actual pillow, and then zip it up and then put this right on top of it. Okay, don't be trying to stuff the stuff inside of here because it's not gonna work at all. And then that can make your pillows bigger also. But the bottom pillow is no way I can make the bottom pillow bigger because I can make it thicker, but not bigger because it's only so wide when you're sitting down. So I just want to tell you guys about this. Don't, I mean, you can try to dye them, but like I said, it's too much. It's too much dyeing. It's a mess. And guys, when I say the one that the synthetic white dye, you got to put it on the stove. You got to let it cook and simmer for 30 minutes. And these things right here, this big, you got to buy something really big for that. So again, that's why I decided not to do that. So before you do that, try to find some covers, see if they work, and go from there. Amazon got everything, y'all. I try to find it at a local store. Nobody had it. They got a bunch of different colors. So I'm gonna let y'all see how it look, okay? So this is how it looks. Like I said, it got the, you got to make it work. But once it sit in, people sit in it and all that good stuff, all those wrinkles and stuff will come out. You got to make it work, like for real. Sometimes you just got to make things work. And it's not going to move. It's nice and sturdy, nice and sturdy. So the more people sit on it, the more all those, folds and stuff go leave. But when I say, guys, I love it because like I said, I'm not going to purchase another set for now. We're going to just make this work. And once I get them all on, and like I said, guys, make sure your pillow is thick. And I was surprised they fit real good. But I wanted to show you guys what I mean, how the sun. See, I wish I could just turn it on this side and have it on this side. But it's like an ombre color. And then the zippers, you can see the zippers, so that won't work. So I'm about to put these inside of here, and I'll show you guys once I come back. Okay? Okay, guys, and when you are putting your pillows on, like I said, if you're going to stuff them, hold on. I want to show you how it dyed. The sun dyed it so bad. Like, it's just horrible. So you just stick it inside of there. And like I was telling you, if you're going to stuff it, stuff the actual pillow. Don't stuff that. So just go ahead and zip it up. And it's super easy. Super easy. Self-explanatory. I'm going to go ahead and put all these pillows inside there. And I'll come back and let you see the end result. So I wanted to show you, you see how this is bigger, but I'm just gonna squeeze it inside the actual chair to make it work. So try it first before you just be like, oh my God, it's too big. Try it first. Figure it out to make it work for yours. And like I said, I probably could wind up hemming it or something so it can fit like even better. Okay guys, so I am finished putting them on. They was easy to get on, but like I said, they were a little big. But I looked at some of the other ones. They all was pretty much around the same width and everything. So I'm just going to keep these. It do look 100% better than having faded pillows on, and I just think like the more we use them, the more they're gonna be moving around, and all the what you call it, all the wrinkles and stuff go get out. But as I will give it, I will give these a 8 out of a 10. And the only reason I don't give them a 10 because, like I said, I wish they fit more better. But just being able to do this versus dyeing them and spray dyeing them and all kind of stuff, this works perfect. If you are a sewer, you probably can go ahead and you can take you some fabric and make this, but I don't know how to do all that. So again, just want to show you guys I am loving, loving, loving it. Okay, so if you want to do that, try it. If this video added value to your ideas and different things, please make sure you leave a V down below and a heart. Okay, bye guys.